Yo, what's up YouTube? So look, I'm sat here editing the video, checking the previous video as well. I've seen I'm almost on 500 the last one, so you know what? We've got to do another one. That's valid right there for the third video, so let's go ahead and do another vid. Check this out as well, look. Got a little boxing bag and shit. You heard me? But nah, enough wasting time. Yeah, see? Enough wasting time, let's go ahead and do another POV drive and see you guys on the road. Alright, so we've got a little quick scenery shift. Like I said, we're about to go hit the other part of the other part of the spot. Alright, so we've got a little quick scenery shift. Like I said, let's put this car to the top. Go into sports mode. So back into sports mode, man. Let's go and have some fun. Yeah. The car might not sound as loud, but trust me, from when you're driving a normal auto mode and you slap it on sports, like, it just sounds and feels a lot nicer. Like I said, this car, we're not gonna do nothing crazy to this car, man. Maybe on the next car we can start, you know, doing some visual customization or mods or whatever you guys call it, to, you know what I'm saying, to the cars. Add that into the videos as well, but for right now we're just having fun with what we've got in the Volkswagen Sciroco 2-litre diesel sport. Big ass booty old truck in my face. Hit the right lane. Let's go. Like on a road like this, you can't really cut up or anything like that. It's not. It's busy of a road, so you know what I'm saying. I can't do no cutting up or nothing like that. It's just a straight drive. I'm still trying to find a better location, I'm saying, to have some fun on, but you know. Let's go somewhere else though. So let's just go somewhere else. God damn, that was a fucking bump right there. Yeah. Lonely ass road. Hit that right lane, man. I hit that right lane, man. Gonna hit that right lane. Okay, come on. I don't know why I just hit that roundabout so slow. Yo, there go. I drive for fun. I'm not as eager to be going fast 247. Like, I just drive for fun mostly. But here and there, I like to, you know what I'm saying, do a little pull or go on a little bit of a fast one, yeah. But most of the times I'll be just chilling, like just driving. You guys will realize most of my POV drives are just gonna be like chill, calm, cool drives and some shit like. But yeah, by the time I drop this video, it's most definitely last video gonna be on like 500 views or some shit. For my third POV drive that was posted, not bad at all. Like, that's tough actually. I'm going down there, bro. Where the hell are they at, bro? Probably missed. This road right here is smooth. Not lied. Took too soon. Start bumping around and stuff, bro. Hey. God damn. Take this exit right here. Where the hell is... react and multiply. Oh no. Oh no. No. Alright, that's enough fun for the day, I ain't gonna lie. It's like that, babe, I can drive. We're going to chill for the rest of the drive, man. Probably see y'all boys when I park up or some shit, but yeah. Nigga talking like that. That's enough for the day. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and end this right here, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that POV drive. We'll keep them rolling, as I'm saying. At least 3 every week, like I said. But yeah, car's behind me, so I gotta go. See you guys. Let's go.